Hello, Black Rifle here. Today we're going to talk about the Taurus PT111 G2. One fine little pistol for, I think I paid $199 after rebate. You can't beat it. Very accurate little thing. It's got an aggressive grip. Feels like a file. It's so aggressive. I'll tell you, I like this little thing. It's for concealment. I hear people whining about the trigger pull. That's bull crap, as usual. This is not a target pistol. This is not a custom pistol. It's a cheap, inexpensive self-defense pistol to engage targets between 7 yards and 7 feet and 21 feet. Excuse me. That's where the average shooting takes place with a handgun. It's for self-defense only. It's not a target pistol. It's not a custom pistol, but it does the job for what you get. I have it loaded with these self-defense rounds. Every other round's hardball, hollow point, hardball, hollow point. I use the Fiocchi ammo, as anybody knows by my videos that the Fiocchi is the ammo that I like. Could be because I'm Italian, right? Anyway, I bought several extra mags for it. They work fine. I've had them loaded up full, all the way full for a few months now. And I'll tell you, I really like the weapon. It shoots well, holds a nice group. For what it's made for, you can't beat the price. $199 after the rebate. I got it from Palmetto State Armory. Anyway, we'll take a look at some of the accessories that I bought. I have 7 magazines total. And I tell you, I love it. I always carry a knife. This is a Mirage knife, and I always carry that too for defensive purposes. Anyway, this is Black Rifle from South Carolina, the Palmetto State, the home of Palmetto State Armory. Take care. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. I really enjoyed doing this with my other friends. Boy 32 Tactical, I'll tell you what, he does some wonderful videos. And there's several others that I didn't mention, but they're worthy of mention. I really like those guys, and I like their videos, and I've learned some stuff too. Likewise, I hope you learned something from me. Take care. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.